Hey guys, I just filmed a tutorial on this matte cut crease right here that you're going to see in just a second. It's going to be a voiceover tutorial, so we're going to see how that works out. I'm sorry if it doesn't. It's pretty basic. I use the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Lorac Mega Pro palette. It'll be described in there. I was really inspired by this look that I found on Pinterest, I think. And it's just, I don't know how well in focus that is, but it's just a matte cut crease, kind of like what I got going on there. So the next video will probably be this look, because this is the other one that I posted, so hopefully y'all can see that. Yeah, so this is just a simple matte cut crease. It's actually really easy. I messed up a few times, but it was really easy to fix. So this is definitely something good if you're just starting out on cut creases. I gained a few subscribers last night. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you haven't already. This is my video for this week. I'm really hoping to do another video next week and any videos in between that I have time to film. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay, so I outlined the shadows that I'm going to be using for this look. They're in order from lightest to darkest, which is how I started blending them. This is the first shadow, which is that light pink color from the Lorac palette. This is a really simple look, but it requires a lot of blending. So that's going to be a lot of the clips you're going to see is me going back and forth, blending from the lightest to the darkest color, all the way until we do the outline.
Life is money, and you're just a hoe. Don't take it personal.
Okay, now we're starting the outline. I'm taking the second to darkest shade and I'm mapping out very roughly where I'm going to want my cut crease to start.
What else should we do?
Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush and use the same colors and just make it a little bit darker and accentuate the crease a little bit more. Make this as messy as you want it because we're going to be able to clean it up with concealer later. This is where all that blending comes into play. You're going to switch back and forth between all the brushes, most of the time not even adding any more product, just to blend out the product you already put down. I'm just going over the outline one more time before I cut the crease with the concealer so I can see where I want my guides to be.
Everybody's driving.
Okay, now we're cutting the crease, and this is where I started making those mistakes that I talked about in the intro. I messed up a few times on here, but you're going to see how I clean it up.
And then they might care.
I'm setting it with a white eyeshadow, and don't worry about those uneven lines. We're going to fix them.
Talking about me too.
So this is where we fix those mistakes. I'm taking that flat shader brush again and not adding any more product, but I'm going to go ahead and just rub those lines out and you can just see how it changes. So to make sure the lines are extra straight, I'm going to go back in with that flat brush and redefine the line just a little bit more so I can get that perfect cut crease.
Like a sugar sweet kid, skin soft and smooth.
Now just keep on blending.
I'm talking about money. I'm talking about money. You know you like it too.
This is a little trick I like to do when my eyeshadow looks are maybe a little bit too warm. I go in with a nude colored eyeshadow and it kind of blurs the lines. Okay, now it's time for eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner is the Maybelline Gel Liner in Blackest Black, and we're going to make ourselves a wing. I like to wipe my eyeliner brush with a paper towel every time I remove it from my eye just to make sure that it stays really sharp.
Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the show.
An eyeliner video is coming up, so let me know if that's something that you really want to see, so that way I can start filming it for you.
Don't take it personal, I'm talking about me too.
Now it's time for lashes. I'm using some Salon Perfect 615 lashes because I didn't want to cover up too much of the eyeshadow. I wanted it to be seen.
But I gotta admit, it feels so good.
Make sure you rim your inner waterline with black eyeliner as well, and then go in with your favorite mascara to blend your lashes and your falsies together.
I'm talking about my knee.
I didn't realize how out of focus I was during my face routine. If you guys want to see a video dedicated specifically to that, just let me know. So I'll just be popping in a few times throughout the rest of the video to let y'all know what I'm doing.
Everybody's driving all the way to nowhere. No time left, we're dying. And then they might care. Don't take it personal, I'm talking about me too. What else should we do? What else should we do? But I gotta admit, it feels so good. Like a sugar sweet kiss, skin soft and smooth. I'm talking about my knee. I'm talking about my knee. You know you like it too.
One thing that I wanted to try with this look that I've never done before is skip highlight. So I completely foregoed highlighter and kept the look 100% matte and monochromatic all the way through.
Everybody's driving all the way to nowhere. No time left, we're dying. And then they might care. Don't take it personal, I'm talking about me too. What else should we do? What else should we do? But I gotta admit, it feels so good. Like a sugar sweet kiss, skin soft and smooth. I'm talking about my knee.
I always use chapstick before I put on a liquid lip just because my lips are particularly dry. I'm using Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Lolita.
You know you like it too.
That's all for this video, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.